In this lesson, there will be a battle between Canvas and SVG for the title of Best Performance in Interactive Animation. And the battlefield will be the following example. Perhaps animation is already familiar to you, if you studied my course Introduction to Web Animation. At that time, there was an implementation using scalable vector graphics. We will now implement this with Canvas and compare the results.
Fight.
Well, the fighters are hardened. Who do you bet on? Well done! 74 lines of code. Final round. We compare the result. Here, the number of nodes is 700. I agree. SVG animation looks a bit more complicated. Here there are two cycles at each position, outer and inner, plus a play of color. For exercise, you can repeat all this in the Canvas version. In the meantime, there are few notes, performance looks the same. Let's complicate the task. 20,000 knots. For the purity of the experiment, we will simplify the SVG version to the Canvas version. The first thing you will notice is the long launch of the SVG variant. Building the original view takes a very long time, and you will inevitably see such a warning. Can you even wait? Visually, Canvas is faster, plus instant launch, unlike SVG.
Flawless victory.